Hey guys, it's Ms. Mosley. We are going to go over the Wednesday Daily Star question. So if you don't already have a piece of paper and a pencil, please go ahead and pause the video here and go grab that. And if you do, we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so the question says, which of these models represents the same number? So these models are something that we've been using the last week. They are called base 10 blocks. And so I want to make sure that we practice labeling this type of stuff, because whenever we get back face to face, something really important in math is being able to label pictures, because that's going to help you find your answer. Okay? So what I'm going to do is we are going to label this together, and then you are going to think about the answer. I'll give you a little bit of time, and then we will answer the question together and figure out what the correct answer is. Okay, so we need to label these. Okay, so I want you to think about for a second, what do these represent? What do these represent? And what place do these represent? Okay, so pause and think about that for a second. Okay, these pieces represent the ones place. Remember, the small little cubes are our ones. And it's important to notice, I forgot to do this a second ago, that we are looking for the numbers that are the same. That is our key word. That is our most important word. Which of these are the same? So let's go ahead and count these ones right here and label that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So we are going to go ahead and label that 20. Okay, we're going to go ahead and label that 20. And I'm going to take this for our next number. Okay, so these, I want you to stop and think about for a second, what are these counting by? Okay, so remember, these are called sticks, and they represent tens. So we are going to count these, and since they represent tens, we are going to count by tens. Okay? So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. So we're going to put 200 for that one. So far we have 20 and we have 200. Okay, now we're going to look over at these and figure out what these represent. Now I want you to stop and think, what do one of these represent? What place? Okay, one of these represents 100. So these are ones, these are tens, these are hundreds. So we're going to count, and we have 100, 200. Oops, sorry guys, 200. So which of these are the same number? Which of these? We have 200, we have 20, 200, and 200. Yes, the two that say 200 represent the same number. They both represent 200. Okay, so that's model Y and model Z. So let's look at our answer choices. Okay, so this one says model X and model Y because 21s is equivalent to 20 tens. Okay, did we come up with the answer that X and Y match? Does 20 and 200 match? No, it doesn't. So we know F is not going to be one of our answers. G, model X and model Z, because 21s is equivalent to 200s. Is 20 in model X the same as 200 in model Z? No. Remember, we said model Y and model Z are the same. H says model Y and model Z because 20 tens is equivalent to 200s. So as you see, we have 20 tens right here, which equals 200. So our answer is H, model Y and model Z. And the reason we label these is because it's so easy to see that this equals 200 and this equals 200, which would give us our quickest answer. Okay? So at the bottom, go ahead and click next to go to your next page. Bye guys.